Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. As you know, we are doing book questions of our chapter Why Do We Fall Ill? Right? So let's move further. The next question is How many times did you fall ill in the last 1 year? And what were the illnesses? And think of one change you could make in your habits in order to avoid any of or most of the above illness. Or think of one change you would wish for in your surroundings in order to avoid any of or most of the above illness. So, what will be the answer? So, generally, what happens? We got ill 2 or 3 times, right, in a year. So, and what may commonly what the things we suffer from common cold, right? So the illnesses was two to three times, and that is of common cold, right, occurred in a year. So the next question is think of one change you could make in your habits in order to avoid any of or most of the above illness. So what change you can make in your habits? So one change I would make in my habit in order to avoid the above illness is that I would take proper diet rich in vitamin C and would avoid too cold food, right? If you are suffering from cold, so you should take what? Vitamin C. That will enhance your this immunity, right? So, and one should avoid cold food, right? Like ice creams or any other thing which is coming from the fridge. The next we have the question think of one change you would wish for in your surroundings. So what change you can make in your surrounding? The surrounding should be you can keep your surrounding neat, clean and hygiene, right? So this is the things you can do, right? Second, coming to the second question, a doctor, nurse, health worker is exposed to move sick people than others in the community. Find out how she or he avoids getting sick himself or herself. So the question is what? A doctor, nurse or health worker, they are exposed to more sick people, right? They are coming in their contacts. So how they can avoid getting sick, right? This is the question. So what could be the answer? A doctor, nurse, health worker, when exposed to sick people, they keep their nose and mouth covered, right? Take care of hygiene. Wash hands with soap before drinking water or eating food. Right? They use mask, gloves, etc. to avoid the direct contact with the person suffering from infectious disease. Right? So they can use what? Mask and gloves, right? So that they can't come in the direct contact with the person suffering from any infectious diseases. So this could be the precautions they can take. Now coming to the fourth question. See, the third question is about survey, right? So you all need to do that survey. The fourth question is a baby is not able to tell his or her caretakers that she or he is sick. So what would help us to find out that the baby is sick? What is the sickness? So how could you come to know that baby is sick? As baby can't able to explain or speak. So the answer could be the symptoms like body temperature, fever, cough, cold, loose motions, non-stop crying, improper or no food intake, etc. Right? So you can find through the symptoms only, right? As the baby is not able to speak right now. So how could you come to know? So through the symptoms like body temperature, fever, cough, cold, loose motions, right? Non-stop crying, taking not proper food, right? So these are the some symptoms baby can see. We can see in the baby, right? And how could these symptoms help us? The symptoms could help us to find out the sickness of the body, right? So symptoms will show what kind of sickness is going on in the body of the baby, right? The next question is, under which of the following conditions is a person most likely to fall sick, right? So you have to take which is the condition in which a person can may most likely to fall sick, right? Probab more prone to fall sick, right? So the very first option is when she is recovering from malaria, right? When she has recovered from malaria and is taking care of someone suffering from chickenpox. When she is on a 4-day fast after recovering from malaria and is taking care of someone suffering from chickenpox, right? So why? So what could be the answer? The answer is C, right? In the C option, you will see the person is more prone to fall sick, right? When he's doing or she's doing fasting, right? After recovering from malaria. So as a person is not taking proper diet, which is required for her proper health and healing of the body, right? After recovery, one need to have one need to have a proper diet, right? So that his body can heal, right? So her chances of getting chicken pox also get high, right? As her body's immunity is still low, है ना? Means कि still his body is recovering, right? And as his body or her body needs balanced diet, right? And if he's not taking food balanced diet, so his immunity get low and he is more prone to get sick. So this is the all questions we have covered of the chapter why do we fall ill, right? So if any query you can ask me in our next class, okay students. So thank you so much. Okay.